If you've ever experienced a product recall, it's something you'd never want to repeat again. Labelling and packaging errors are one of the main reasons for product recalls and near misses in the food industry.
If you send out the wrong date or a wrong package, you get fined, but you also spent the money producing it, costing labour and all your ingredients. You've then sent it out. You've then got to dispose of it. So it's not just the fine that costs you.
So we stop product recalls by automating the process, and that means making sure that you've got the right packaging and the right date code on your finished product.
Pioneer Foods is a manufacturer of breakfast cereals. We manufacture predominantly for the own brand market for all major supermarkets.
We make around 280 SKUs. We have something like 300 raw materials in our business, and we carry numerous allergens. So the idea for us to get the OAL system into place was to make sure that we could actually effectively manage and risk mitigate products online, and to take some of the burden of that away from the operators.
With the OAL system, we're controlling all your line devices, so we know when they're working and when they're not. So what that means is we can then take all that data and give you the digital tools to improve and drive productivity requirements.
The system's really been a breath of fresh air for us. Previously, we'd done things quite manually. However, with the technical systems OAL has brought us, certainly camera scanning and the ability as well to put all the information onto a database, it's been a major benefit for engineers. From the planning side of it, the actual installation side of it, the training side of it for the engineers and for the operators, and the ongoing support has been very, very easy and supported as well throughout.
Without a doubt, I would recommend OAL to other manufacturers. It gives us the sense that we are doing everything we possibly can to mitigate risk. And yes, sometimes there's mistakes, but this system is the fail-safe, and it makes sure that those mistakes don't go outside of your business. Given that we have a number of retailers on our books means that if we were to have a major recall for one retailer, the chances are the other retailers would start to feel very nervous about our ability to produce safe food for them.
When you're working with OAL, you're working with a company that's protecting over 1,200 packaging lines from product recalls and label and date code errors every single day. So we're scanning about 20 billion different products every year. So we've got the expertise in-house to make sure that we can apply an automated system that fits your requirements. So if you want to find out more, get in contact with us and we will arrange for one of our experts to come to site to talk to you and understand your business and share some of our insights from being the market leading label and date code verification company.